The Life Removed by Louis Ponce de Leon. How tranquil is the life of him who, shunning the vain world's uproar, may follow, free from strife, the hidden path of yore, chosen by the few who conjure wisdom's lore. For he with thoughts aloof, by proud men's great estate is not oppressed, nor marvels at the roof of gold built to attest the more skills and on jasper pillars rest. He heeds not though fame raise his name afar on wings of rumor flung. He cares not for the praise of cunning flatterer's tongue, nor for what truth sincere would leave unsung. What boots in my content that the vain voice of fame should favor me, if in its service spent I find myself to be vexed by dull care and knowing misery? O hill, O stream, O field, O solitary refuge of the light, since my bark now must yield to the storm your solace bright, I seek to feel the sea's tempestuous might. Sleep broken by no fear, be mine and a day clear, serene and free, shunning the look severe, lofty exceedingly, of him who gold exiles our ancestry. May the birds awake with their sweet unpremeditated song, and those dark cares forsake that ear to him belong, who lives not in his independence strong. I to myself would live, to enjoy the blessings that to heaven I owe, alone contemplated, and freely love where I go, nor hope, fear, hatred, jealousy, e'er know. And while in misery others are pledged to fear's ambitious throng, a fear insatiably for power that stays not long, may I in pleasant shade recite my song, yea, lying in the shade, my brow with ivy and bay immortal crowned, my ear attentive made to the soft tuneful sound of zither touched by fingers skilled profound.